Good morning. We will go back to our example here, but we will be using electro-pneumatics. Same example, example 1 and example 2. This is my example 1 and this is our example 2. Okay, so still we have limit switches L1, L2, and then L3 and L4. Same thing as here in example 2, L1, L2, L3, and L4. Okay, so let us open again our simulator. Okay, so I will put again the double acting cylinders. So I will use double acting cylinder. Okay, and I will make it simple, and then I will put the throttle valves. Where is our throttle valve? So here's a throttle valve. I will rotate this again. Okay, so I will rotate it to 90 and I will adjust its opening, say 7.81. Okay, I will copy this. Okay, paste. Okay, put it here and put it here also. Okay, I will connect this and then we will use our 5-2-way valve, but this one will be using a memory valve, but we will use an electrically, okay, a solenoid valve. Okay, solenoid valve. So I will edit this. So I will put this blank here, pneumatically or electrically. So we have the solenoid valve. I will remove the spring and pilot I have here, like that. Okay, so that is my solenoid valve, both sides, and then I will connect this to our output, that one, and then I will put the actuating labels here, and I will put here L1 between 0 and here, and also L2, and I will put 100 here, 100 here. Okay, then I will put my compressor. Okay, I will put the labels here, and this is my solenoid valve. I will put the label here as Y1. Okay, that is the coil Y1 or the solenoid Y1, and this one will be my solenoid Y2. Okay, so Y1, if triggered, the cylinder will move, will extend, and Y2, if triggered, the cylinder will retract. So this is our cylinder 1 with our throttle valves and solenoid valves Y1 and Y2. So I will copy this. Okay, I will copy this, and the second cylinder will be our cylinder 2.0. So I will change the labels here, L3 and L4. Okay, and then this will become Y3 and Y4. So this will become Y4. So I will put the pressure, and this one also will put the pressure here. Okay, now that is now my setup. This is cylinder 1.0, 2.0. Okay, so since this will be supplied by a 24 volt DC, so I will select here 24. Okay, I will put 24 here. I will create a ladder, okay, diagram, same as with the PLC. Okay, now we'll go back to the diagram. Okay, so this will be continuous. Okay, this will be continuous since our motion diagram setup is continuous. Okay, so the last limit switch that will trigger the sequence will be L3. Okay, so this will be L3, and again it will start and then it will finish again with L3, and then it will start again the sequence. Okay, so let's go back there. So I will put L3 here. So I will select a limit switch, say this one. Okay, so this is my limit switch. Okay, so I will this one will be connected, and I will put the label here as L3. Okay, so that is L3 now is being pressed by cylinder 2.0. So L3, okay, L3 will trigger Y1. This is Y1. So this is Y2, this is Y3, and this is Y4. So it will trigger Y1 via L3. Okay, so let's go back there. So I will select my solenoid symbol here. This is your valve. Okay, this is your solenoid valve. Okay, so this one. So this will be connected to 0 volts, 24 and 0, and I will put my label here as Y1. Okay, okay, and then after that, Y1 the cylinder will be extended because Y1 will be energized. Okay, and then by L2, okay, by L2, Y3 will be triggered. Okay, so let's go back here, and then L2, because this will extend, it will touch L2, and therefore this, okay, Y3 will be triggered. So I will just copy this, okay, and then I will change this as L2. Okay, change this as L2, and this will be Y3. Okay, so I will connect this. Okay, there. Okay, then after that, okay, this will extend touching L4, and L4 will trigger Y2. Okay, so L4, this is your L4. Okay, this is your Y2, so L4 will trigger Y2. Okay, so L4, I will copy this again, and I will put it here. So this will become L4, L4, and this will become Y2. Okay, so L4 and Y2. Okay, so L4, okay, L4 will put cylinder 1.0 back, okay, and then this cylinder 1.0 will touch L1, okay, will touch L1, and this will be expected to take back 2.0 to its original position, retracted. Okay, so again, I will copy this and I will put here L1. Okay, so this will be my L1, Y1, Y3, Y2, and Y4. Okay, so let us try. Okay, so that is our problem 1. Okay, so I will stop the simulation. Okay, I'll stop the simulation and let's go to problem 2. So for the problem 2, here again and continuous. Okay, so the last limit switch will be L1. Okay, the last limit switch will be L1 before it will go back again for the same sequence. And then this L1 will trigger Y1 and Y3. Okay, this will trigger Y1 and Y3, and then L4 will put back cylinder 2.0 because it will trigger Y4. Okay, so this is Y3 and this is Y4. So, and then L3 here will be pressed. Okay, and this will enable cylinder 1.0 to retract. Okay, so from the previous example, there were there was a conflict. Okay, there was a conflict that the timing will be disrupted. So it was resolved by putting L3, okay, L3 and L2, okay, in series. Okay, so let us try this again. So the last limit switch will be L1, triggering Y1 and Y3. Okay, so I will disconnect this first. We'll disconnect it. Okay, so this will be L1. This will be L1, triggering Y1, okay, and Y3. Okay, so Y1 and Y3. So I will remove Y3 here. Okay, I will remove Y3 here because I will put this in parallel with Y1. Okay, so it is in parallel with Y1. Okay, so it is in parallel now with Y1, and then after that L4 will be touched and will enable cylinder 2.0 to be retracted. Okay, so let us put L4 here. Okay, I will delete this. I will delete this also. Okay. So this one, okay, then we'll just use this one. Okay, so Y4 will be retracted, and then this will be L4. Okay, That's it. Okay, and then for this now I have y1 here, y3, and y4. So the last one will be y2. Okay, y2, and the limit switches will be L3 here, L3, and L2. So I will just change this to L3. Okay, put here L3, and we have here L2. Okay, so I will move this one here. I will move first L2. Okay. Okay. Then I will delete this. I will connect this in series. We'll connect it in series. Okay. So L3 and L2 will be connected. So I will delete this first. Okay. In order to ensure there will be connection, because sometimes there is no connection. So we'll put it there. So we will connect these two. We will focus it, and then this one, and then this one. I'll delete this first. Okay, so let's test this. Make it smaller again. Okay, focus it. Okay, then we'll try to have a simulation. Okay, so L3 and L2 again is connected in series. They are connected an AND, okay, configuration, so that the L3 and L2, okay, will resolve the conflict to trigger Y2. Okay, so you can base your switching from the motion diagram so that you will not be confused. Okay, so if you have questions, just send me a message. Okay, thank you, students, for your time.